So last class we discussed about EMF equation. EMF equation of transformer. EMF equation of transformer. That is EMF induced in primary winding. EMF induced in primary winding. E1 is equal to what? 4.44 F/m N1. EMF induced in secondary winding. It is equal to 4.44 F/m N2. It is equal to 4.44 F/m N2. And flux density B equal to flux per area. B equal to flux per area. Unit is Weber per meter square. Unit is Weber per meter square. So today we discuss ratios of transformers. Ratios in transformer. Ratios in transformer. So consider transformer so when we connect supply, that is primary connect. When you connect to the load, that is secondary winding. So primary winding has current I1, supply voltage is V1, induced EMF is E1, number of turns N1, EMF induced in E2, number of turns E2, voltage is V2, current is I2. I am writing the V1 is equal to supply voltage, E1 equal to EMF induced in primary winding. EMF induced in primary winding. I1 is equal to current in primary winding. Current in primary winding. N1 is equal to number of turns in primary winding. Number of turns in primary winding. Similar way V2. V2 equal to terminal voltage of secondary winding. Terminal voltage of secondary winding. So N2 equal to number of turns in secondary winding. Current equal to I2 equal to current in secondary winding. Current in secondary winding. E2 equal to EMF induced in secondary winding. EMF induced in secondary winding. This is voltage ratio. Voltage ratio. Voltage ratio. The ratio of secondary voltage to the primary voltage. The ratio of secondary voltage to the primary voltage is called voltage ratio. It's called voltage ratio. Similar way, we have transformation ratio. Transformation ratio. Transformation ratio. Transformation ratio. It is defined as secondary voltage to the primary voltage. Primary voltage or primary current to the secondary current. Primary current to the secondary current. That is E2 by E1, that is equal to secondary turns N2 by N1, that is equal to V2 by V1. In terms of current, that is I1 by I2. It is equal to K. it is equal to K. K is called transformation ratio. K is called transformation ratio. K equal for K equal to what? In terms of voltage, E2 by E1. K equal to in terms of current, I1 by I2. I1 by I2. For step-up transformer, K is greater than 1. K is greater than 1. K is greater than 1. For step-down transformer, K is less than 1. K is less than 1. K value is less than 1. So another ratio is turns ratio. Another ratio is turns ratio. It is defined as the reciprocal of transformation ratio. Transformation ratio. That is turns ratio equal to 1 by transformation ratio. 1 by transformation ratio. That is equal to 1 divided by K. 1 divided by K. K equal to what? E2 by E1, N2 by N1 equal to V2 by V1. For currents, I1 by I2. For currents, I1 by I2. So see one problem. A single phase transformer has voltage of ratio of voltage of a single phase transformer has operated with 50 Hz AC supply. The maximum flux is 20 milliwebers. 20 milliwebers. And the turns ratios, the primary and secondary turns are 200 and 300. Determine the induced EMF in primary and secondary winding. So solution, what is given that F equal to 50 H, maximum flux pi equal to 20 webers. 20 into 10 power minus 3 webers. 20 into 10 power minus 3 webers is the primary turns. N1 equal to 200. Secondary turns N2 equal to 300. Determine E1 equal to how much, E2 equal to how much. In this case, in these problems, first we determine transformation ratio. That is K equal to what? E2 by E1, N2 by N1, I1 by I2. In this problem, what they given? N1, N2. So take K equal to N2 by N1. N2 equal to 300. N1 equal to 200. 300 divided by 200 equal to 1.5. So K equal to 1.5. What is the EMF in primary winding? EMF in primary winding. E1 is equal to 4.44 F by M N1. E1 is equal to 4.44 F by M by 1. They given this is a constant, flux is given, and frequency given, number of turns is given. E1 is equal to 4.44. What is the value of F50? What is the value of phi? 20 milliwebers. 20 milliwebers. 20 into 10 power minus 3 into number of turns 200. So E1 is equal to the value of E1. What is the value of E2? So 4.44 F by M into 4.44 F by M into 4.44 F is 50 Hz, 20 milliwebers, 20 into 10 power minus 3. N2 is 300. N2 is 300. 4.44 50 20 into 10 power minus 3 into 300. So 1332 volts. This is the wrong calculation. So 888. This is 888 volts. 888 volts. Or otherwise we can calculate K equal to what? E2 by E1. K equal to E2 by E1. From that E2 equal to what? K into E1. So what is the value of K? 1.5. E1 is 888. 1.5 into 888. 1332 volts. This is E2. This is the E2. This is the right answer. So this is the problems about this one. So I am giving you another problem. So all of you solve this. A transformer has primary voltage and secondary voltage is 300 bar 600. 300 bar 600 operated with a frequency of 50 Hz and flux is 30 milliwebers. 30 milliwebers. Determine the number of turns in primary and secondary winding. Primary and secondary winding. So this is the problem. All of you solve this.